Hi, I'm Nathan with Residential Warranty Services, and I work with thousands of home inspectors throughout the U.S. and Canada. They offer services like Recall Check, and that comes from our company. This is a free recall reporting service. It comes with your home inspection from thousands of home inspectors throughout the U.S. and Canada, and about 1 in every 10 homes gets a free repair. We also offer Sewer Guard coverage, which covers underground sewer and water lines between the home and the street. These repairs can cost thousands of dollars. They happen. Every real estate office has a horror story. We help to avoid that, and of course, our 90-day warranty covers structural issues, mechanical issues within 90 days of the inspection or 22 days after closing, whichever comes later. Now, I've been working in this business for 18 years, came up with some of these products, and when a home inspector signs up for our services, generally they're looking for something that sets them apart. And this works incredibly well. We have companies that have gone from 200 or 300 inspections a year to thousands of inspections a year because they differentiate themselves in the marketplace. They say, look, everybody does a great inspection, but we offer real coverage to go with that inspection. It's free to you as a home buyer. So it's one of those things that people buy home inspections or make their purchase decision based on. Now, then there's people like Dave Park. Dave Park with Advantage Home Inspections in Raleigh, Durham. In fact, their web address is durhamhomeinspectionservice.com. You can go there and find that there is hardly any mention of the warranties. They don't really market it. And maybe they should. Maybe they'd be even bigger. But they're still the largest home inspection company in Raleigh, Durham. And they do a bang-up job. The reason they offer all of these services, including our 5-year roof leak protection plan, isn't to get more business. They do fine. It's because it's the right thing to do for their clients. And we have example after example of that happening. I'll give you a recent one, just an annoying kind of thing that happens to people after they move in. Christopher in Youngsville, North Carolina moves in, and he told us under this warranty, really simple claims process. You just tell us what's going on, basically. He said that basically the shower head has continued to leak, and it needs a new cartridge for the shower handle. Okay, well, that was a $233 issue and 78 cents from the contractor. He got a check from Residential Warranty Services just because he got a home inspection with Advantage. So if you're in the Raleigh-Durham area and you need a home inspection, call Dave Park. Visit durhamhomeinspectionservice.com. Look at their credentials, look at their qualifications. They're amazing home inspectors. They do a great job. We've been working with them for years now, and our claims ratios are great. This is the kind of stuff that we get. There was nothing missed here. Just a matter of a shower head leaking. And if you're an agent who would like your clients to move in and when they have something like this happen, get a check to cover it so that they refer you vehemently to their friends and family, call Dave. If you're anywhere outside of the Raleigh-Durham area, send me an email personally, nathan@nathan.tv. I'll set you up with the best inspector in your area, hands down. Great quality, warranty coverage, over $15,000 worth of coverage, standard with every inspection. Give me an email. Again, nathan@nathan.tv.